Thanks for stopping by, GF Explorers. Today we have had Stella, our F350 Dually, for 2 weeks today. And
Wow.
we're out running errands, and I just noticed that we're at right around a quarter of a tank of gas. So we get to do our very first fill up
I'm
on
so
Stella.
excited. You know, we could not have timed this any better. The gas prices are high if they've been in, I don't know, 10, 15 years. So boy, we planned this really well.
We have a plan to save some money.
The TDS Open Road gas card will hopefully save us a few cents.
So with the Open Roads app, which we'll get into a little bit more detail later, I'm showing a TNA truck stop less than 3 miles from us at, really this isn't bad, 406 per gallon.
Woohoo.
So the only disadvantage to the Open Roads program is that it's only accepted in the truck lanes, which means we're going to have to gas up with the big boys.
Oh, that's okay. If we had the rig attached, we'd be there anyway. So we should just get used to it now because this is going to be our life. I'm actually excited. I've never gassed up in the truck lanes.
So we're going to go gas up, and we're going to show you how the card works, how and if the card works, because we haven't used it yet, and then we'll talk in a little more detail about the card.
This is so exciting. Our first truck stop fill up.
So when you pull
Yay.
when you pull into any truck stop, there's always the truck lane and the car lanes, and this is the first time we're going in the truck lane.
Okay,
So
ready.
here we are. We're going to do this. There's a truck coming in.
It's the little things that are just so much fun.
And we're going to go in. So one of the things that's important to note is that you cannot use cash or your regular credit cards in the truck lane. You have to have a fuel card program in order to pull into the truck lanes. Otherwise, you'd have to go in and have them hold your card and run your card.
Oh, okay. Well, this is definitely more convenient too.
All right, so we are
We're in.
here. Let's jump out and get gas.
Okay.
Okay, so we have our TDS card. We're going to go ahead and insert it. We don't know what the Ultra One card is.
Just keep saying yes.
We're going to call ourselves the Tractor. We don't want deaf. No.
We don't want deaf.
Tractor. We don't want deaf, so we're going to skip that. Cash advance, no. Additional products, no.
Well, there's a lot of choices here. Just
Okay,
not a quick
control
fill-up.
number. The control number is part, so you have two numbers. You have a PIN that you set on your card and then a control number, which is always the last 4 digits of your social security card. So, wow. Okay, so Victoria, look over there.
Did it work?
Please remove nozzle. It didn't ask me for a PIN number though. And
Interesting.
diesel pumps can be pretty messy, so we've got our nitro-coated gloves.
Ooh, sexy.
We're going to open up here. We're going to remove the nozzle. And we're going to begin fueling. Now, the one thing that's great about the gas pumps is they are high flow, so we should fill up very quickly.
Nope. We only have half a tank, right?
We have a little over a quarter of a tank.
Oh, okay.
One of my pet peeves is always the auto stations that don't change their fuel filters enough and the gas runs out at a very slow rate. Hate that. This is so fast, it's wonderful.
I can hear it. I think
We're
it's fast.
already at 11 gallons.
And how many dollars is that?
67.
Jesus. We spent $67 in 30 seconds? Holy cow.
You can see we're getting a little bit of splashback here, which is the #1 reason for gloves.
I feel like I need to have gloves. I'm not even right next to it. That's a big nozzle you got there.
Yeah, that's the
Look at
high
that.
flow nozzle right there.
Oh, that's a big nozzle.
And we're going to put this in. Get our cap back on. And 21.5 gallons, $110.
That was the fastest 100. No. This is 2 weeks ago. We spent more money and more less time.
All right, we are good. Okay, I pulled forward so we're not in the way of any of the truckers.
Was that good for you?
That was great.
Yeah, that was really good. That was fun.
So
I enjoyed it.
I didn't feel intimidated. A lot of people talk about intimidation of pulling into the truck lane. And I'm going to pull up just a little bit more because there's a trucker coming in.
I mean, I can see why you might feel intimidated. I'm not sure how the truckers feel about the RVers or the single trucks, but I think as long as you respect them and don't get in their way, all is going to be good.
Yeah, and do your business and pull out
Do
forward.
your business and go.
Don't be running into the store to get a snack or a drink.
I'm just going to park here for, say, I don't know, 10 minutes. I'll be right back.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's not going to
but that was relatively painless. You can see we did not see the price that we paid on the pump. You're going to see that back later. It will show up in the app as well as the discount that we received on the fuel. So at this very moment, we don't know what we paid.
Well, we spent $110. And what's great about the app is it will track that so you can use that as a running total of all the fuel that you've spent, correct?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah. So
let's go run more errands.
That was way easier than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, and fun too.
All right, so we are on our way out. Very careful to look both directions. So there's the cat scale right there in front of us, which we'll be bringing our rig once we pick it up to the cat scale to both weigh it empty and weigh it once we get all of our crap into it. So one of the things to be concerned about is finding your way out of here. I don't see any exit signs.
I'd say go out the way you came, right there. But we would have had to back up. So if we had the rig with us, what would we have done?
Yeah, we would have been...
Go that way just to see.
Yeah, we're going to go...
When he's done backing
It's
in.
the way everybody's facing as well, too, so I'm assuming this is going to lead out. That is a very clean truck.
This is a beautiful truck. Okay, let's see what is beyond the curve.
So I see a stop sign up ahead, so I'm guessing that's the way out. And
are these trucks all lined up to get out?
I think they're just lined up.
Seems like we got a lot to learn about the whole trucking world. Isn't this where we came in here? That was the way out, baby. You missed the way out.
Well, there's a road up here with a stop sign, so.
Oh, what are all these trucks? Oh, these lined up for the truck wash? Oh my goodness, now that's a line.
They are lined up. Also, all of these trucks here to the left are all lined up for the truck wash.
Wow.
All right, we're back from running our errands for the day. We've got a little wine. We just had an amazing dinner. We made chicken puttanesca, and for sure you need to check out that video up here over my left shoulder. When you're done with this video, of course, because it turned out amazing.
It was absolutely delicious.
Yeah, it was very, very good. And cheers to our first of many
fill-ups in a truck lane at a truck stop. Oh my God, it was so much fun. It was so amazing. And yeah, it's like we're getting so excited about getting gas. But you know, it's a first. It's like never been to the truck area. It's like cars, trucks. If you're not a truck, you stay away from the truck area. So I kind of felt at first we were going somewhere we didn't belong.
Yes.
But it was all good and no big deal. We got gas.
Yes, for sure. So please don't be intimidated by gassing up in the truck lane. Just don't do anything silly or stupid and piss off our trucker friends. And remember, they are on the clock, you are not. So be respectful of their time. Do your business in the gas pump. Pull forward, get out of the way. Everything will be fine. You will be fine.
And I'm assuming it's just going to be quite as easy when we're actually attached to a rig. Today was just Stella, but
yeah. And there was plenty of room to move around in there. So it's going to be way easier to gas up in the truck area when you have your 42-foot home with us than trying to pull into the auto lanes.
Oh, I couldn't imagine.
No.
Oh my goodness. Especially in a very busy gas station. Oh my.
And then there's that high rate flow pump. That was amazing.
Cool. You could hear that. It was, I don't think I have ever heard gas flow that quickly.
Yep. And I don't think we ever went through $110 so quickly.
Boom, gone. Done.
So what we wanted to share with you is really just how much money we saved today with the Open Roads fuel discount program. So one of the things we need to do, let me put my wine down, is once you're in the program, there is, let's go into the Open Roads TDF app. What happens there is your fuel purchases show up shortly after you go through and do your business in the truck lane. So you don't see your savings on the pump. So also keep in mind, you can't use debit cards, credit cards, etc. through the truck lane. You have to use gas fuel discount cards to go through the lane. Now you can still go through the gas lane. I'm sorry, you can still go through the diesel lanes with your credit card or a debit card, but you're going to have to go in. You're going to have to pre-authorize a certain amount of fuel. You may not know how much fuel you need. And again, you're tying up the truck lane, which is something we don't want to do. So for those reasons alone, for ease of use alone, this program was worth it.
Oh, and savings. Ease of use and savings is great.
So when you go into the app, open up the app, the first thing that's going to happen is it's going to show you gas stations around your area. And you can see here that we have 2 gas stations. We have a Sapp Brothers and a TA Travel Center that were near us. We chose the TA just because. I know the TA Center is a little bit bigger than the Sapp Brothers, so there was kind of more room to maneuver around. So that's what we chose. So on the app, you can see our price per gallon is going to be $4.07. Now the sign on the street was $5.13. That's $1.06 per gallon savings, which is a pretty big savings. There are some fees that we have to talk about so you completely understand exactly what you're paying for and exactly what you're getting and what your actual discount is. So there's 2 fees to be aware of with this program. One is the TDS, the Open Roads fee, which they take 10% of whatever your savings amount is for every transaction. And then there's a gas station fee for processing the transaction. So the gas station fee is 65 cents. So while the app told us we were going to pay $4.06 and save $1.06 per gallon, net of fees, our savings was $19.84, which amounts to 92 cents a gallon, which is still a pretty amazing savings.
That's a huge savings. I mean, that for the King Soopers or the Kroger card that you get gas points, that's like what? 2 months of groceries to get up to that kind of savings?
To get up to
and we're
10.
going to get that every time?
Yep. Now, your savings does vary per location. TA centers do seem to be a preferred partner with the Open Roads program, but your savings will definitely vary per location, per stop, depending on what the price per gallon is. But our stop today that we filmed was 92 cents per gallon savings.
It's a good place to start. It can hopefully get better, but it may not, but that's okay. I'm just happy saving money. And I think it's so cool that there is a program for us, for RVers, that we can use. Obviously for trucks they can. And so I'm loving this. This is great.
Yeah. So, if you're upset about paying fees or having to pay for the program, I feel, how do you feel, Victoria? The convenience of using the program, pulling in, gassing up, pulling out, is well worth that extra, 14 cents in gallon in fees that we paid. We're still saving a ton of money, but the convenience, I think, is more than worth it.
Well, you could have paid 92 cents more a gallon and not,
Any program.
Yeah, exactly. So
Exactly.
I think whatever savings you get, it's definitely worth it because there's nobody else out there offering savings that I know of.
Right.
I'm happy. So I'm sure you're thinking, hey, I want to save money too. So I'm going to tell you how you can get the card. Go to myopenroads.com. Know that the fuel card can take about 4 to 6 weeks to get, so kind of plan that in. And you're just going to need your checking account and social security number.
So let's talk about some of the details of the program and kind of the FAQs of the program. What you can do, what you can't do, what's discounted, what's not discounted. First of all, at this point in time, it's a diesel-only program. Now, it's my understanding from the company that they are trying to put a gas program in place and hope to have it at some point this year. Right now, a diesel-only program. And you must utilize the truck lanes to access the program. Again, like Victoria mentioned, it's tied to your checking account. They're going to withdraw the funds in 3 to 5 days, depending. Like today was a Saturday. We probably won't see it till Monday or Tuesday come out of your checking account. But know that every time you access the card in 3 or 4 or 5 days, that money's coming out of your checking account.
And you have a limit of 400 gallons. And I don't think that's going to be a problem for any RVer.
In 24 hours, unless you have a big Class A, I guess that could be an issue potentially.
Well, even in a Class A, 400 gallons in 24 hours?
That's a lot of fuel right there.
I'd like to see that.
So then the next question becomes, can you purchase DEF at the tank with this program? And the answer is yes, you can. However, there is no discount on DEF at any partner, whether it's a preferred partner or not. There are no discounts on DEF. So one of the things I'm looking forward to is the ability to tie the card to the Weigh My Truck app with CAT scales, because I want to know what we weigh empty and what we weigh with all our crap in it.
So does that mean it's going to keep track of all your weights? So like I took a weight on Monday, and then 2 weeks later on another Monday I took a weight, and does it keep it in the app?
Correct. It'll keep it in the app, and it will assign you a number. So you can run through the CAT scale, give them your number, weigh, go, get your report, and you're on your way. And it will charge your checking account too as well for CAT scales.
Oh, that's convenient.
Yeah, which is a huge, huge convenience if you're interested in weighing your rig, which you should be. So finally, as you saw in the video, your savings don't show up at the pump. At the pump, you're paying full street, I'll call it street price because of the sign out on the street. You're paying full price at the pump. You have to wait until it shows up in your app on your phone to see your exact savings. But again, I think ours appeared 10 minutes after we...
Yeah, it wasn't too long.
Yeah, it was there really, really quickly.
But no, I mean, but going in, because it's going to tell you what... Because in the beginning, it said we were going to pay like $4.06 a gallon. So you have some idea of what you're going to pay, but you don't get that final number until later when you check the app.
Yeah, and as you saw in the app, it breaks down all the fees and all the costs. So it's very transparent what you're paying in fees and what your net cost per gallon is.
Yeah. Well, I'm excited to do it again with the rig attached, which should be happening in about 2 weeks. And oh my goodness.
That'll be about the next time we need gas.
Yeah.
That's the next time we need diesel too.
Oh, so exciting. So many new things. So if you have a diesel truck and you want to save some money, remember, go to myopenroads.com and start saving. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We'd really appreciate it. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. That really helps. And until next time, happy exploring.
Cheers.
Cheers.